Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC and welcome to this unboxing of the Element RC portal axles. So these portal axles are from Element RC. They're very good about giving us very different options and configurations for the Element Enduro platform. One of the cool things was IFS back in the day, and I still think it's very cool. I have a bunch of Element IFS rigs and I can see myself building more of them. Now that they have portal axles, this gives us even more options to kind of go for more of the high performance rigs. So I can see myself using this axle or these portal axles in some flat rail chassis, and that's probably what I'll do. But let's go ahead and unbox this. First of all, let's take a look at the box. There. Alright, so right away we can see one of the changes that they made. They finally are providing bigger bearings. I'm not sure what size they are, but I'm wondering if they're now the standard 5x11x4, I think they are. Previously they were using 5x10x4, I think, and I'm wondering if these are now 5x11x4, but they are using bigger bearings for that pinion gear now. So I know in the past with the older Element axles that people have complained about the smaller pinion here, and that it's caused some ring and pinion failures because the bearing failed. So hopefully this bigger bearing will help. You can see the portals, and they have optional overdrive gears for these axles, which is kind of cool. So it looks like you can get a separate 1223 gear set for 36% underdrive. Nice. Alright, so let's take a look at this. Looks like I got 2 more seals. Well, it looks like the box is going to be an RK box. We've seen these before. I believe these were provided with the first IFS kit as far as these arcade boxes, the Trail Runner and the Gatekeeper. So this was pretty much the same as was provided in the first IFS kit. So here we've got our oil and grease, the axle housings right here, as well as the knuckles and C-hubs. Actually, the knuckles aren't in here, are they? No. Oh yeah, they are. No, C-hubs, sorry. Just the C-hubs. The universal axles. Some hardware. And I believe that's probably the input bearing, maybe. Alright, so you can see that they are continuing with their Delrin pivot balls. They're not bad, they work. I usually switch them out to metal ones later on, but the Delrin pivot balls actually work better than the old plastic ones that they had, or the old black plastic ones that they had. So the Delrin is not bad, it'll work. And here are these knuckles and portal housings, or just the portal housings, rod ends, the portal gears. So you do need to assemble this. It isn't pre-assembled like the IFS2, so you do have to assemble these portal axles. And more bearings right here. Got your decal sheet with the portal imagery, portal gear imagery, and the instruction booklet. So Okay, so it's got a few things that are kind of joined together. You've got the Trail Runner arcade, you got the Gatekeeper arcade, and you also have this toolbox. I don't remember what this toolbox came with. I kind of want to say it came with the Gatekeeper kit. I don't know if it came with the IFS kit, but the toolbox I think came with the Gatekeeper kit. But yeah, that's about it. So thanks for watching this unboxing of the Element Portal axles. I can't wait to put these on a rig. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future updates on what I do with these Element Enduro Portal axles. Thanks for watching.